Thank you. Good day, everyone. My name is Dave Waiser, and I'm CEO and founder of Gett. And let's get started. That will be the second challenge. All right. OK, there are 1 billion cars out there, and they travel on average about 10,000 miles each. At the cost of $1 per mile, it makes it about $10 trillion spent globally. Effectively, it's the second largest industry after real estate. Ride-hailing is already massive. It's fascinating to see the transition and adoption of ride-hailing. As of today, already 5% of all driven global miles are done on a platform like Gett. And it's actually scaling by 100% year on year. The market is shifting from car ownership to pay-per-ride, from selling cars to selling rides. Gett is already moving people outside of their cars. For example, 2/3 of our top clients or customers have already given up on one of their cars, and they're using Gett services instead. There are a few things we all know about owning a private car. There are good reasons why young people don't want to own one. It is expensive, and it's not efficient. As a matter of fact, if we look even on the per-seat basis, it's even less efficient. We're talking about 1.3% utilization on average. And in addition, it's a burden. Harder and harder to find parking, increasingly congesting roads, periodic maintenance. Young people want stress-free and relaxed experience. In short, they want to be driven. Gett makes cities smarter by providing all transportation needs. Gett makes smart cities a reality by providing riders and corporation transport solution in a single platform across 3 main pillars: private transportation, mass transit, and delivery. We're not talking about the future. We're not talking about our plans. We're just talking about what we do today, and we make cities smarter today. We run commercial services in private transportation, public transportation, and delivery in more than 120 cities globally, by greatly improving how millions of riders and tens of thousands of global corporations consume transport services today. Actually, the 3 in combination provide additional value by further improving utilization, for example, when drivers actually delivering parcels. Let's look one by one. For the private transportation, today in New York and London, Moscow, we offer most complete range of cars with multiple classes to choose from economy to real luxury, all driven by the best drivers in the city in every town where we operate. As a company driven by quality, we pride ourselves for the global rate rating being 4.9. That's close to perfection. We have taken this approach one step further to create even better experience. In London, we have partnered with Porsche to allow everyone to experience the luxury of their cars with the convenience of technology of Gett. You can now enjoy Panamera quality at the click of the button. Our highly affordable prices are starting below £20, make this new service the best value in town for both frequent riders and those just looking to occasional ride in style. But instead of talking about how the great experience is, let me give you a glimpse of how it looks. Mass transportation. Smart city means less noise and less pollution. If people will leave their cars outside and will use shared transportation inside the city, we'll have less cars on the road, which will help us to get smart city vision now. But we can't expect people to simply drop their private cars without a proper alternative. Get Together is a fantastic solution for smart cities today. It's a hybrid model for on-demand shuttle along fixed routes with flexible stops, bridging the gap between mass transport and private transport. It's a new category in city travel that is making commute more reliable, predictable, and transparent, while encouraging people to travel together with fewer cars. With the ability to book the shuttle on demand, reserve a seat, and see the driver on the map at the price of the bus ticket. People will choose to leave their car at home. With the less cars on the road, we will have less traffic, we'll need less parking spaces, and ideally will reduce carbon footprint. Solution like Get Together will be the first to be upgraded to AV by its nature, as the routes are more predictable and easier to be programmed. That's right. And let's talk about delivery. Last but not least, our Gett delivery service is reinventing last mile delivery, and the solutions you're familiar are outdated. By running the marketplace of couriers on bikes, motorbikes, cars, taxis, and even pedestrians, we are creating new delivery standard, from on-demand through same hour to same day, depending on your needs. Take, for example, our groundbreaking partnership with Israel Post. In the past, you would receive a notification that the package is waiting for you. Then you would need to get into the car, drive to the post office, find and often pay for the parking, wait in line to pick your package, and do the whole thing again on your way home. Instead, you can now book a courier to pick up a package for you with an average delivery time of about 20 minutes. And it's live right now. That's right. There are more to be done to progress and make Dover truly smart cities. And this is clearly just the beginning. Yet we are truly proud of how we already came in doing. You can enjoy all of our services at NOAH in Tel Aviv, or do the same across major markets around the world, including New York, London, and Moscow. Thank you very much.